Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to go right into the video because I didn't film an intro. Okay, this is my hair, and the wavy hair that you saw is the one that I'm going to use to make those wavy things you saw on my braids. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. So I'm using this gel to kind of like make my hair, for C-type hair. It's just goes everywhere, especially when you're doing your own hair. So this kind of like makes the hair to not like go anywhere, to not have like flyaways when you are braiding. So I'm using darling braid, and this is what I'm doing. I'm just doing this to kind of like elongate the braid to make it look longer. And yeah, okay, this is how I'm starting, and it's really not that hard to start. Here I'm just going to show you the technique that I use to make those wavy parts, or to make that wavy knotless braid that you saw. So you're just gonna keep going, braid your hair. You start by braiding your own hair, and then you add or you feed in the braid. Okay, now you have to cut your weave just a little bit, just like so. And this is the strand that I cut. Okay, it's not a strand, but like the portion that I did. And now, okay, it was too much, so I'm using this here. So you take the hair, you make sure like you hold your hair nicely so that when you place the hair it will be good. So this is how you hold the hair. You take the hair and you feed in like that, and then you braid. You leave the hair a little bit like this, and then you braid the other part of the hair in the braid that you were braiding before. Make sure it's strong, so you just make sure like you go and you do this to the braid as you go. If you want more wavy, if you have a little like longer, if you have like a longer weave, you can use a longer weave, and you can use just one or two. And here I think I used 2 or 3. The third one I used it on the tip of my braid. Is it? Yeah, so you just keep on braiding. Okay, I was just checking to see if it was okay. So yeah, and right now, well, I don't know what I'm looking for. So you just keep on braiding and braiding and braiding, and you can make any size you want, any thickness you want. It just depends on what you want. Here I think I used 2 or 1. Okay, let's just see, because I don't remember. I don't remember how many I used. As you can see, this is how it's going to look when you take the hair down. It's going to look like wavy and beautiful. And guys, this is like a good summer hairstyle. Like, yeah, if you want your hairstyle to like stay longer, and make sure they are thinner. And yeah, I'm adding the second one, so I added 2. I added 3, 2, the second one here, and the third one on the end of, like, at the end of the braid. So you just do the same process as I did at the first braid. You just do this again. So this is what we're doing. We're making sure like we don't this hair don't get caught up when we are braiding. So you just move it away and you start braiding. So that's that. It's not really hard, and it's going to be strong. And just make sure you put a good length so that they won't pull out, but usually it doesn't pull out, so it's a very good thing to do. So yeah, let's just keep on braiding our hair. This is what we're doing. We keep on braiding our hair, and it's very long, so that's why you see I had to like do this, because it's really long. So you keep on going, and towards the end, but at the end of like the braid, that is when you put the last the last strand, or the last portion of the last curly weave. Okay, so here I'm just braiding. I'm just gonna do the voice over like at the beginning of this video, just like this, and then I'm gonna put music after. And here I just wanted to explain how I do it, so that like it'll be easier for you to do it as well. So yeah, so we have reached the end of our hair. We're going to cut another one. Everyone just cut the weave, like, but here I was just cutting a little, bit by bit, because I didn't want to waste my weave. So yeah, So when we've reached the end like this, as you can see, yeah, when you're doing your own braids, you know how we do this, because yeah, at the end now, when you've reached the, I don't know what I was doing here, but when you have reached the end, that is when you braid the whole thing. There's no need now for you to you know, take the other one out and then braid in the other one. Now you have to braid everything in, as I'm doing right now, to create a kind of like wavy look. I did, guys, this video, I recorded this video like months ago, like months. I don't want to lie to you, it's months ago, and then I don't know, I just figured like I didn't post it. So you see, and then you take your glue, I'm using my glue, and just take your glue and then just put at the, like this, so that like it won't unravel or anything. So wait for it to get dry a little bit, and as you can see, I'm doing this for it to yeah, for the hair to not pull out or anything. So this is the way to secure. Don't do this like touching the glue, because your hands will be full of glue, child, so don't do it. So yeah, this is how it's looking, and look guys how all of them are looking. They're looking so pretty. Look at the wavy look. So yeah, I guess I had to tell you guys and then show you the tip. Okay, I think I was getting hot here, or I don't know what happened, but I ended up wearing my jersey again. So yeah, so okay, I'm gonna end here. I think you've gotten the hang of how I did have this here, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.